Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the cannot start de novo service error on Windows 11 for games. First, we need to restore any game files that Windows Security may have blocked. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Security, and open it. Click on Protection History. Look for any files related to your game that were blocked or quarantined. Open the entry and click Allow on this device to restore the file. The next step is to add your game folder as an exclusion. In Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection and click Manage Settings. Scroll down to the Exclusions section and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Click Add an exclusion, choose Folder, and select your main game installation folder. This prevents Windows Security from removing important game files in the future. If the problem is still there, you can disable memory integrity. Open the Start menu, search for Core Isolation, and open the Settings page. Find the Memory Integrity option and switch it off. After making this change, restart your computer so the new setting can take effect. Once your system restarts, launch the game again and check if the cannot start de novo service error has been fixed. Thanks for watching.